Hey everyone, Susie here. Thanks so much for coming back and seeing me today. And in today's video, we're going to be trying out a fairly new makeup trend here on my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a really easy monochromatic look this summer. So all a monochromatic look is basically it's just all using one color. So if your color is brown, you're going to use brown on your lids, your lips, bronzer. You want to keep your face basically one shade. So that's all monochromatic means. It just means one color. And in today's video, I'm going to be kind of doing a coral pink kind of monochromatic look. I think that's going to be really pretty for the summer. A lot of these products are things that are affordable that you can find in your drugstore. So hopefully this will be a great video for you guys. And please keep in mind, if you don't like wearing corals or pinks or anything like that, and you kind of are somebody that likes maybe more of a nude shade or blue or purple, or whatever your color is, you can use any color and create a monochromatic look. You just want to keep all of your items kind of in the same color family. And also, I think kind of like simplicity is key. So you don't want to go overboard. You don't want like pink eyeshadow, pink eyeliner, pink mascara, pink. I mean, I guess you could do all that, but honestly, just like pink eyeshadow, pink blush, pink lips, that right there, I think is perfect. I think that's just a really nice, simple monochromatic look. So I've already done my whole face. I've done my primer, which I actually used a little sample I had. This is a Lila B a glow primer oil, or priming oil, I'm sorry. I had this from Sephora a long time ago when I did a haul from them, and I just wanted to use it up. I don't know how I feel about it, but it's okay. And then for my foundation, I actually just used my tinted hydrator from Wet n Wild, used my Instant Age Rewind concealer under the eyes, and then my e.l.f. HD powder in Soft Luminance. So that's all I used on my face. I wanted to keep my face kind of bare looking so that you guys could see what else I was going to be using. So we're going to start off with the eyes. It's going to be really simple. I have this little palette from NYX. This is their Ultimate Edit Petite Shadow Palette, and this is in the bright shade. I've used this once before. I don't reach for it very often, but when I do use it sometimes. So this actually has a shade in here that I really wanted to use, and it's this coral pink shade right here. I think it's beautiful. I think it's so pretty. So we're going to be using that. And then on top of that, I have this little tiny eyeshadow from IBY Beauty. This is in the shade In Bloom, and I actually got this from Ipsy a long time ago. And it's just basically a really pretty coral shade that has some shimmer in it that's going to go really nice over the top of this other eyeshadow. Now, if you don't have this eyeshadow, and obviously this isn't from the drugstore, you can just use any shadow that is basically a shimmery version of whatever eyeshadow it is that you're using. So if you're using a brown, use a shimmery bronze or something like that. So we're gonna go ahead and start off by using this, and I've already primed my eyes and everything. We're gonna keep this super simple, super simple. This is why I was like, this is gonna be really good for the summertime. So I'm just dipping into this coral shade, and I'm just applying it basically all over the lid. It's exactly the color I was wanting. And I'm actually gonna go just a tad bit above my crease, because I'll show you guys why here in just a minute. And then I'm gonna do the same with my other eye. I love monochromatic looks for the summer just because they're so easy. You don't have to do a lot, and you still can look really cute and put together and kind of trendy. I'm not one that really follows trends, but this is one trend that I really like just because it's so easy. So once you get those on there, and you know, see how I have it just a tad above the crease in my eye, we are going to just take some of our shimmery eyeshadow, and you can use your brush, you can use a finger. I'm actually just going to use my finger. Going to pick up some of that product, and I'm just going to put it kind of in the middle and basically just on the lid. I don't want to extend it out to the crease or anything like that. Other one. And all that's really doing is just giving me a little bit of shimmer on the center of my lid and on my lid space. Just gonna get a clean blending brush, and I'm just gonna kind of blend out the edges. You don't have to even apply any like skin tone eyeshadow there or anything like that unless you want to, but I'm just going to kind of just blend it out. And for my eyeliner, I'm just gonna do something really simple. I'm using this deepest brown eyeliner from NYX. This is the Epic Wear liner stick. And you can use a black as well, but I just think the brown looks a lot prettier with this coral. I'm just lining close to my lid, and then I'm going to smudge it out into a wing. Being perfect because, like I said, we're gonna smudge it out. So I'm just gonna kind of pull it out a little bit, just like that, but I'm not going to get it perfect or anything. Do the same with the other side. And just a little out. Like I said, it does not have to be perfect because we're gonna be smudging it out. We're gonna take a little smudger brush, and I'm just gonna basically go in and smudge that into the lash line. And if you see any spots where like it's a little patchy, you can always go back in and add some more. And then if you have some spots you need to touch up, or you feel like you just didn't get the color good, just kind of go back in and touch those areas up. So we're gonna go ahead and do our mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Maybelline Sky High Mascara in black. Okay, got my mascara on, and I think for this look, I'm actually going to go in with that same brown liner, and I'm gonna line the waterline. I like that a little bit better. It's a little darker, but that's okay. If you feel like it's too dark around your eyes, for me personally, I think this is fine, but if you do feel like it's a little dark, you can always just take a little brush, smudge it out a little bit, and then that'll kind of soften it up just a tad. So if you did go outside the line anywhere here, you can just clean that up with a brush. Some people like to use the whole concealer thing and, you know, get it all perfect, but honestly, half the time I don't do that stuff. I just kind of touch it up, keep it moving. So continuing on with our look, we're wrapping it up, and now we're going to be doing some blush, staying in the same color family. I'm going in with my Milani Cheek Kiss blush in Rose Romance. This is a bit of a kind of like a darker coral pink, but I really like it. So I'm just going to tap a little bit here. You don't need much of this stuff. And then using my fingers, just going to tap that out. And you can already see this look coming together. And I like to put a little on my nose. I find it just makes you look like you have kind of a Sun-Kissed Glow. And the reason why I'm using both of my hands to do this is because this blush dries pretty quickly and I want to just go ahead and do both at once. Perfect, I think that looks really good. I like that. And now we're gonna be doing a little highlight. Same color family again. This is a Jouer blush, or not a blush, but a highlight. This is in Rose Quartz. I'm gonna take a little bit of that on my brush. I'm just going right on my cheekbone. I don't want too much. It's summer, we have natural highlighter. I'm just kind of applying that, like that. And for my lips, again, staying in that same pink coral kind of family. This is from Sephora. This is their Clean Glossy Lip Oil in the shade Watermelon. I also have other coral lipsticks, but I just kind of really liked the way this one looks on my lips. So I'm gonna use this one. But again, if you want to kind of go in with a more orangey coral, you could. And there we go. I really like that. So, perfect. And I gotta dry my hair because I just got out of the shower, but this is my monochromatic look. I really like it. It's really simple and easy. So as you can see, all I really did was just use the same shades. I really like these two together. I think this looks really great and it looks very kind of tropical and summery. So I really hope that you guys have found this tutorial helpful. It's a really quick and easy kind of look that you can create with pretty much any products that you already have. You don't even have to go to the store and buy new products because almost everybody has an eyeshadow, a blush, and a lip color that is all kind of the same color and in the same color family, and you don't really have to go out and buy anything new to create a new trendy look. So definitely, I hope you'll give this a try at home. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about the monochromatic trend. Do you like this whole one color family kind of look, or are you kind of somebody more that likes maybe more of a bold lip and then a subtle eye? How do you feel about it? Let me know in the comments down below. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell for more videos. And I really want to thank you guys for tuning in and always commenting. It means a lot to me and I really enjoy talking with you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.